Cruise Dudes, here we go.
Cruise Dudes, baby. What's up, everybody? It's your boy. It's 6 a.m. on Wednesday, June 5th, I think. Something like that. Anyways, about to get in the car with my buddy to head up to New York for this cruise. We're hanging out with my friend in New York for the day today. It's going to be about a 4.5 hour to 5 hour drive. I'm pretty excited to take all these GoPro videos. I got a little GoPro party pack right here. Everything fits in there. We got the flotation handle, a tripod. I got 4 different SD cards for this trip so I can film as much as possible and get some 4K video. But I'm really excited about it. I've never been on a cruise before, obviously, so it's going to be super fun.
Cruise Dudes, here we go.
Cruise Dudes, baby. Omar, are you excited about this jump?
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm starting my morning with some Uncle Ben's Ready Rice. Start your morning with Uncle Ben's Ready Rice. It's Uncle Ben's Ready Rice. It's ready in rice.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, drag in, pack up here, in, drag your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there, in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go.
There's the view. We out here, Hoboken, New Jersey, hanging out my buddy's place. We just had some really good chicken from Chicken Factory, Hoboken, New Jersey. Go ahead and try it out. It's good. It's good. Shouts out Pat on the recommendation. That's what I'm talking about. We out here. We're about to head to New York at some point in time soon. Let's get it. We out here gaming, baby.
Gamers.
Ken and Black Pat, the one and only.
Gamers.
Dinner at an IHOP, a shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack up here, pack in, pack up here, in, drag your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there, in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
NBC Studios.
And say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you never know if you never go. So run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy. Lady Liberty ain't throwing us a wink, or is she? Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City.
This is beautiful. Kirby's for days.
Wow! Sweet!
a barrel roll.
Holcomb Punch!
jersey heaven right now. Look at all these jerseys. Look at the throwback. Throwback McGrady. We're headed back on the ferry to Hoboken.
Hey!
Spent the day in New York. We're back in Hoboken now at my buddy's house. While we were at Nintendo, I got myself a blue Yoshi, because a light blue Yoshi. Actually, they had multiple blue Yoshis, but I got the light blue Yoshi. I like him. I like Yoshi. He's just beautiful. Look at this guy. I mean, look at this dude. So we got that as a little souvenir to remember it by. And then also stopped by a Best Buy. I got 2 more GoPro batteries because I have a ton of storage. I have like 400 gigabytes of storage on SD cards that I can use. But the batteries run out because I'm taking constant videos and things like that. So they run out within about 2.5 hours. And I only had 2 of them, so that's maybe like 5 hours worth of footage max. So I got 2 more so I can film a full day worth of footage. Tomorrow we will be headed to the cruise.